A shared commitment to help build sustainable energy solutions in Ireland has brought Microsoft and SSE Airtricity together to deliver an innovative renewable energy generation project. Through this project, 27 schools have had state-of-the-art internet-connected solar PV installed on their rooftops. With an investment of close to €1 million, these schools will now be able to power classrooms using energy generated from their own roof, reducing their carbon footprint and their costs. This distributed energy power purchase agreement builds on Microsoft's ongoing investment in renewable energy technologies and aims to prove the viability of distributed energy generation. Microsoft Azure IoT aggregates the generation data from the schools, and over 15 years it is expected that the solar panels will produce enough clean energy to offset more than 2.1 million kilograms of harmful CO2 emissions. Working together, Microsoft and SSE Airtricity hope to open up the energy saving and carbon reduction potential of rooftop solar across Ireland and the world.